Good morning, Southwest Detroit. I'm Daniel McKenzie here on the weather. Today, we will see a high of 59, partly cloudy, a low of 38 tonight, with currently feels like 44, wind going 2 mile an hour northeast. Visibility 9.9 miles, barometer is 30.23 and falling, and humidity 74, dew point 34. For tomorrow, we will have a high of 44 with rain, light rain, I believe through most of the day. And that will probably start about noon tomorrow with a high of 44, low of 38. Oh my God, it's cold. And then Wednesday, again, we'll have more rain. High 47, and rain is supposed to go on all day and night. Thursday, high 48, low 37. Rain all day, on and off. Again, Friday, more rain, high 44, 34. Saturday, more rain, and it should be finishing up by towards midnight. That with sun coming back on Sunday, but the temperature will only be high of 33. So, what happened to the warm weather? This is preposterous. Monday we will see more partly sunshine, 36, and that is your weather forecast. Next, and that weather forecast was brought to you by the Dan McKenzie Show.